are racing at full speed. Who will win this exciting race? Look at the red car taking the lead. It's so fast. Here come the others, trying to catch up. What a thrilling race. Wait! There's a truck sleeping in the middle of the road. That's not safe.
Oh no!
Red car didn't expect that. Always be ready for surprises on the road. Ouch! A crash! Remember to keep a safe distance when driving. The truck is angry now. Will the cars find a way to calm it down? Red car seems upset too. Let's see if they can resolve this. Whoa! Fighting isn't the answer. Let's try to solve things peacefully. The truck is laughing, but teamwork might be the key to turning things around.
Wait and see!
Run away.
Now the cars are moving on. What will they find next? Phew! They made it! Working together always helps in tough times.
Truly able, Belina.
I wish we could be bigger.
Look! Pink car sees something amazing down there.
Oh my god! Wow!
What's up?
Hey, hey!
What?
Whoa!
So beautiful!
Red car stops just in time. Careful driving is always important.
What is that?
Wow!
So
The red
cool.
car just transformed into a tank.
It's my
What
turn.
magic is this? Green car jumps in too. What will it become?
Yeah, I did it.
Let go!
Amazing! They've all transformed into new vehicles. Working together can lead to big changes.
We will take revenge!
Oh yeah! Let go!
The cars are ready for the next adventure. What's waiting for them ahead?
Oh yeah! Come here, baby!
Boom! Red Tank is making its presence known.
Go away before I get angry.
You are surrounded!
The cars are working together now. Will they find a way to stop the truck?
Here to hit me!
The hook car charges in. What's the truck gonna do now? The truck fights back. Things are getting intense.
I'm here!
The tank is powerful, but using strength wisely is always important.
Go away!
The truck is defeated. Sometimes teamwork and strategy win the day. The cars celebrate their victory. Remember, kindness and teamwork make every journey better.
Look! It's race time! Yo, 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 yo!
10 years later.
Go, go, go!
Transform! Transform! Hey! Oh no! Hey! Help me!
1 hour later.
Thank you!
Goodbye!
To avoid danger, I think we need to build a bridge.
Let me do it. I have a responsibility too.
Okay already!
Transform!
Go, go, go!
Okay already.
Okay, here we go.
Finally done. Here, here.
Water blast, go!
A few minutes later.
Thank you guys for saving me and for this meaningful achievement.
Learn from your mistakes. Watch out on the road.
I know.
Cheer up, at least we have one more project.
That's right.
Look at the vehicles working so hard at the construction site. Oh, wow.
Oh.
The excavator found something shiny. It looks really special.
What this?
Wow!
It's a treasure chest. I need to call the police right away.
McQueen quickly calls the police. When you find something valuable, always report it to the right people.
Oh, hello?
There's a treasure chest here. Can you come and take care of it for me?
But over there, behind the bushes, someone is watching with a sneaky grin.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Oh no! A green smoke suddenly spreads! This looks like a trap!
Oh no!
Yes.
Oh no!
The police have arrived. But what just happened here?
Oh my god!
Wake up. Hey, 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 wake up. Oh, okay.
Watch out! The monster truck hid the sign to trick others.
Oh no! Help! Help me!
Let me help you.
Thank you. Let's go catch the thief.
There's a dangerous trap ahead, but the monster truck has no idea. Boom! The monster truck loses control and crashes. That's the price of greed.
Oh.
You are under arrest. Don't be greedy. Live honestly and work together to overcome challenges.
Oh my god, what's going to happen? Subscribe and stay tuned for more fun friends! Uh-oh! Looks like we've hit the Bone Monster's lair!
Strange house.
Seems pretty sketchy, right? The Spider-Man hand is attacking! We've got to act fast! The police are here already!
Monster.
Let's go.
We're in good hands now! Let's hope they can take down the monster! We are counting on you!
Come on!
Oh geez, they got hit by a dinosaur!
Oh no!
Even the police can't handle this! What do we do now?
It's so strong. We need a plan.
Yeah!
Alright, maybe a bomb can take down the monster? Let's give it a try!
Oh, yeah!
Oh yes! We defeated it! Stay down, Spider-Hand! Great! It has given us back the car!
Thank you very much.
Let's go.
Subscribe to the channel for more fun adventures with the vehicle team. The crane is whistling happily and digging hard below. Working hard is awesome!
Stop!
What? Oh no! The train is coming fast! Always be careful when near the tracks.
Unbelievable.
The truck falls right into the track. That's super dangerous.
Hey, help me!
Everyone falls into the hole. Total chaos.
Let me help.
Oh no! Oops! The crane flings the pig away in panic.
Calm down.
We need rescue. The crane hurries to rescue the truck. Helping friends is the best thing ever.
Come here.
Everyone gets loaded up, but safe and sound.
OMG, I have to call for help.
Let's go!
All the vehicles are sleeping.
Hey, hey, help me.
What's going on?
I need materials to build new rails.
Okay, let's go.
Hurry up!
Let's fill the trucks with gravel and get to work together.
Must have a lot of stones.
The crane joins in to carry gravel. Teamwork is so much fun.
So hurt.
So sorry. It is full.
Go, go, go!
The materials are ready. Let's all head to the construction site together.
Let me.
The big truck dumps gravel into the hole to fill the road.
Next to me.
More gravel. Let's raise the road strong and steady.
Flatten is my case.
The roller smooths the road perfectly flat.
I will make it more sure.
The crane packs the gravel tight. A strong road keeps us safe.
Almost complete. Fighting.
New rail pieces are coming in, placed carefully one by one. Let's install the traffic lights and signs. We must follow the rules on the road. Ta-da! The new railway is ready. Awesome job, team!
Wow, it's so great.
The foundation must be strong. The new road is durable.
The next day,
Come on, come on! Oh my god! Hurry, we must save someone!
Yo, 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 yo!
No, get out of the way!
Help us!
I'll call rescue team.
much later.
Hey! What's going on?
Here, here!
Oh no, the ambulance and crane truck crashed in the mud. Let's go rescue them.
Go! Go, go, go!
Okay already.
Rescue team is here! Help me! Help me, please! I'm here to help!
Oh yeah!
Help me, please! Come on, come on! Thank you, guys.
We need to build a new road.
Hello! Bring the construction materials!
A few minutes later.
Here's
Sand
the
is
sand.
ready. One hour later.
Cement is coming.
Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug!
Much, much, much later.
Let me flatten.
Yo, 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 yo!
All done?
Don't speed on slippery roads and always look carefully.
Let's go!
Goodbye!